Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, share the video, and also like it. So in today's video, we are going to make fancy breakfast. So my definition of fancy breakfast is that I don't have to eat something like cornflakes, oats, or just bread and butter. So when I eat something above that, like something that you can order in a restaurant, then for me that is fancy breakfast. Now today we are going to do it a little bit cheaper, so it's going to be on a budget, and for the budget is around about 50 Namibian dollars, but that will round up to $1. The prices differ all over the world, so the prices differ, and yes, and also prices differ from shop to shop, but my whole budget is going to be $15. So what we are going to make hash browns. So I'll be telling you all the ingredients that we are going to need for the hash browns, and also their measurements and their prices. So we are going to need 3 medium-sized potatoes. So what we are going to do first with the 3 potatoes, we are going to grate them. So you'll need a grater, and then we are going to grate them. So when we are grating our potatoes, now we want to put the grated potatoes, into a bowl of cold water. So we just put them in a bowl of cold water. Then we continue grating. After putting all your grated potatoes into a bowl of cold water, what we are going to do, we are going to get an extra bowl and a sieve and a kitchen towel. So you just get a clean kitchen towel. So what we are going to do, we are going to put the kitchen towel over the sieve, and then it will look. We are going to put the kitchen towel over the sieve, and what we are going to do, we are going to get the potatoes, and then we place them into the kitchen towel. What we're going to do, we're just going to take the potatoes and then place them, all of them, into a kitchen towel. So now what we're going to do, we are going to get our kitchen towel, and then we are going to squeeze the water out. You just squeeze it out, you see. It should look like this. You see how it looks? And then we are going to put it into our mixing bowl. So to the potatoes, we are going to add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And now for the flour, I didn't put the price on it because I think that this is something that you find in the pantry. So it's nothing that you need to go and buy. So I didn't include the flour and the spices in our budget. So I'm just going to put 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and then we're going to add 4 tablespoons of shredded cheese. So I couldn't get the price of 4 tablespoons of shredded cheese. I just couldn't calculate it down. So the shredded cheese, I also didn't add it into our budget. And then to that, we are going to add also 1 small onion, finely chopped, and the small onion costs 0.75 cents. Now these are Namibian dollar cents. I will also go and convert that into US dollars, but for the Namibian dollars is 0.75 cents. So we add that in here. And to that we are also going to add 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic. So the garlic, I couldn't count it down, like I only used 1 clove of garlic. so it's probably not even worth of buying. So 1 clove of garlic, it's 1 teaspoon, sorry, 1 teaspoon of garlic, because I know the cloves differ. We have some bigger cloves and smaller cloves, but for this I only used 1 teaspoon of garlic, which was equivalent to 1 clove of garlic. So we are also going to add 1 large egg. So 1 egg is around about 2.60 Namibian dollars. So we're also going to add it in there. Oh my goodness, that was close. I want to make it a little bit spicy, so to that I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and then I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, We are going to add a half a teaspoon of black pepper. So we are going to mix this together very well. So now I'm done mixing everything together. So make sure you mix everything well. In a pot or a pan, we are going to put cooking oil. So this is what we're going to use to fry now. We are going to heat it on medium heat. So in our pot, we are going to add 1 tablespoon of our hash browns. And just shake them nicely. And just cook it for 4 minutes on one side, and then you turn it, and then you are going to cook it for another 4 minutes on the other side. And we are going to cook this on medium heat. It has now been 4 minutes, so I'm just going to flip it the other way around. Okay, I just turned them the other way around, and I'm going to cook them for 4 minutes. It has been 4 minutes, so I'm just going to remove it from the pot, and then I'll place it on a paper towel into a plate like that. Just place it onto a paper towel on the plate, and then I'll be back when I'm done with all of them. So guys, I'm now done with all my hash browns. They are done. Now for the coffee, like if you live in Namibia or South Africa, I know you will find these little sketches of coffee. This is Jacob's coffee, 2.50 Namibian dollars. So my water is boiled already, so my coffee sketch or set or whatever you call it, and then I put my hot boiling water. If you have sugar, you can use the sugar, and also milk. If you do have milk, you can also. And then I'm going to put in my sugar. I only drink 1 teaspoon of sugar, and also some milk. So there we have it, guys. We just made our fancy breakfast. I'm telling you, the hash browns are so delicious, and so it can be enjoyed by more than 2 people just for 15, even less than 15 Namibian dollars. I'm going to put the whole total at the end just here now, and I know it's going to be less than 15 Namibian dollars. So I'm just going to plate it for the thumbnail. Then I'm going to show you how it looks like. You can enjoy this with any type of dipping. If you have tomato sauce or ketchup, you can enjoy that with ketchup or tomato sauce. And any other, if you have any other fancy dippings like ranch, mayonnaise, or any other dippings, really. If you don't have any dippings, you can still enjoy them without dippings. So guys, I think this is going to be my final thumbnail. I'm just trying to figure out where will I put this coffee mug. But there we have it, guys. Don't forget to cook, eat and enjoy your food, and bye. See you in the next video. So I'm just done mixing everything together. So after mixing everything well, my goodness. So now I'm done mixing everything together. So make sure you mix it very well, and it should. And now what we are going to do, we are going to heat our pan at medium. So what we are going to do now, we are going to heat our pan on medium heat. So yeah, just mix it. We just heat it on medium. If I don't have to eat something like that, then like if I don't have to eat something like that and I'm eating something different